cool. So I thought I'd give some people just some more content. I'm just going to film some random shit that I'm doing at the farm every day. Just clearing out some of these tubs to grow some more King Trumpets in. Just cleaning some equipment. We just started running a sterilization cycle and some substrate, and I am just cleaning some LC jars that we're going to use for some more liquid culture inoculations this morning. Just clearing some willow as well. So we just started to run some trials using coppicing willow. So dragged up some of the willow from over there, and we're going to be chipping the willow up. So you can see there's a bunch over there to bring up, and yes, we're going to be running some experiments on willow chip and willow sawdust, which should work hopefully, because it is actually a hardwood substrate. And then what's going on in the grow room? Some reishi hanging out there. Some growing some tomatoes as well here, and fog is going at the moment. If you guys can see, we've got some nice golden oysters, reishi conchs, more ornamental reishi. We've got a load of nice pink blue oyster pins coming. Lion's mane, some more golden oyster, blue oyster, and pink up there. There's a lovely pink cluster of pinks, and then some more lion's mane, blue oyster, some nice fruiting of reishi. So you can't see probably much in here because of all the fog. And back there's some more lion's mane and whatnot. That's a nice little, yeah. But during the heat, we've lost quite a lot of our blocks, our King Trumpet blocks in here. King Trumpets got just absolutely decimated. So I'm actually going to try and resurrect some of these blocks, because they are all they got decimated. So I'm going to be just restarting that. It's just going to try and resurrect some of the substrate, and we shall see how things work out there. It's like a green hell here at the moment. This is crazy. Everything's just growing and dying very quickly.